I have camera, you know. I mean,
But she's big squitch. Good morning, Philippines!
good morning. Good morning, guys. Look at this.
Did you know that feeling sluggish or weighed down could be signs that
Me and my daughter is playing.
Metamucil every day can help. Metamucil supports your daily digestive. Find things you need. And love. On Etsy. Shop Etsy for everyday fun.
Labas ko lang tong dalawa. Hindi na naman kumain. Come on, let's kind of windy. It's windy out here, hon. It's, what is temperature? 66.
Nice.
66 ngayon dito sa labas. Look at your...
All the windows should be open to cool out.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
It's not humid and it's a nice breeze.
And look at your daughter.
They still don't eat.
Maybe you should feed them. You should do something. Do you think... I think I'm going to put like the juice of the soup that I made. So you're gonna throw this out. No, we're gonna throw that out. Yeah, we're gonna throw that out. You're not ordering one. We're gonna get a new one. Misty, Roxy, it's nice out today. And ang gagawin ko ngayon...
Take a refrigeration guy out.
Yeah, it's broken. It's broken. I'm going over there, guys. The last garden square over there. I need to stand the cucumber kasi a lot of cucumber over there. And I'm gonna let the cucumber like this go up. Maingay yung machine nila, guys, early in the morning kasi nag-i-spray sila sa mga prutasan. So yung naririnig ninyo is sprayer yan kasi inano nila yung prutas. They're spraying their fruits. I have to open the windows para naman yung hangin. Maganda kasi yung temperature sa labas kaya window open. A what?
She started coming and she stopped. I can sit there and hold the door open for us.
Oh. Oh.
You open the bedroom window, I'll open upstairs.
You open upstairs?
Yeah.
Hopefully it's not going to rain and I won't forget. Maliligo lang si Mister. Ligo siya. Kasi aalis siya, guys. Kagabi sana siya alis papuntang isang bahay. Sabi ko, wag mo akong iwan. Wag mo akong iwan, dong. Sige na, dong. Pagpandong-pandong ta, dong. Kaya yun. Hindi niya ako iniwan. Dito siya. Kasi mainit din dun sa isang bahay. Walang air conditioning. Kaya yun. Maglaba ako ng mga bedsheets ngayong araw. Inano din ni Tami yung kataas. And maglaba tayo ng bedsheets. Blanket. Laba-laba. Laba-laba. Yun yung gawain ko ngayong araw. And then mag-vacuum sa rug. Sa rug doon sa living room para mawala yung at saka isprehan ko siya. At hindi ko rin alam kung kailan siya babalik dito. Kasi ayaw niyang bumalik doon. I mean, ayaw niyang matulog doon. Kaso, yung kapatid niyang babae, planong doon matulog hanggang weekend. So, that means kung kailan naalis yung kapatid ni Tami, din si Tami aalis. Ayaw ni Tami, iiwan yung kapatid niya doon mag-isa. Tapos na akong nag-vacuum sa carpet rug. Tapos na din naliligo yung mister natin. Sinunog ito ni Tami ay. I think sa isang bahay ito. But anyway, so yun, paalis na si Tami soon. Padalhan ko lang siya ng pagkain kasi I think andun siya. Kailangan dalhin niya tong kung anong meron dito. Yun, dalhin. You have to bring the sausage. Yes. Don't. If you want snacky, yes.
No, I have sausage here.
See. I have camera, you know. See, hi, fresh guy.
Hi guys, my hair's a mess.
He's so fresh.
Just showered, not combed.
Yeah, he just get out from the shower. Look at my hair, hon. I showered last night, yesterday, like 8 o'clock at night. And yun yung resulta pagbangon. Buhok is everywhere. Hello everywhere! Not everything. Everywhere now. What are you planning to eat?
There's 2 burgers, isn't there?
Ah, okay. Pagkaalis si Mister, ako naman, linis. And then, punta ako sa taas para mag-vacuum. And, dalawa yung vacuum dito kasi inayos ni Tami yung isa, di ba? Galing sa isang bahay. So, ngayon, sabi ko, idalhin mo yung vacuum mo sa sa isang bahay kasi magpunta yung kapatid ni Tami doon. Sabihin na, dinala ko na lahat. Wala na silang vacuum doon. Pinalabhan sa akin ni Tamiboy yung yung sweater niya. Ito, isiparit ko yan. Yung mga blanket kasi ng aso is kailangang labhan kasi alam nyo naman yung mga aso natin. Ang ingay talaga ng nito. May something na talaga itong namin ba? Dryer namin. Maingay na siya, guys. Look, Indegaruta is working, mates. Indegaruta? What, you're afraid? Are you afraid? Dada have a little honey, even just a little bit you give. Seriously. Seriously, go. Go. Look, itong dalawa guys, takot kay Indegarutay talaga to. Look.
Come on, miss.
Takot na lang itong dalawa. Oh, look. Ayaw lumapit sa dada nila kasi Indegarutay. Stupid. Hurry up, Indegarutay will be here soon. Hurry. Look, Indegarutay. Run, Misty, run. Tommy said, guys, yesterday, Han, our electric bill, Han, is it's high. I said it's high because you keep opening refrigerator, Han. Every time you think food, Han, you open refrigerator, Han. Nakakatawa si Tommy. And then kahapon din, after naligo ako, paglabas ko sa pagligo, nakita ko na naman siya nakatulala dyan sa refrigerator. Sabi ko, Han, our bill is high.
She'll be here in a minute.
Oh, do Misty, you don't have nothing left, baby.
Walk away from it.
Misty, look, you don't have any more food. Roxy, eat it. Roxy na. Takot yan kay Indegarutay. Takot yan, look. Si Indegarutay ba, parang baliw. Hindi na alam kung saan makapunta talaga itong si Inday. Tignan nyo ito, isa nagtatago. Nagtatago. Look. Are you afraid too? Are you afraid?
Come here, monkey.
Every time you put something in your mouth, this dog can
Well,
taste.
you go and let him in. Say, oh, look, Dad is eating. Come on in.
You do like this.
I did not.
Yes, you did. He do like this, showing his food out there.
I'm eating. It has
Roxy.
to come up to my mouth. Really? Am I supposed to do this?
No, you did this like this.
No, I did not. No.
Hi,
You never say that
guys.
to her.
Andito pa si Tommy. Thank God he's not leaving me yet.
He is leaving. He's just dragging his feet on it.
Yeah, he doesn't want to leave his wife. He loves me so much. Say something. Say. Come on. Tell them you love me so much.
I don't think so. Yes, guys, I love her so much. I don't think so.
Oh my God, you're like...
What's that?
Honey, seems like...
She's like, what? See, she laughed at me.
Honey, don't do that. It hurts.
She laughed at me that I love her so much. And then she said it hurts because she...
I mean...
But she's big squidge.
Say it like heartily.
Big squidge and a little package squidge.
Don't let me na. You stay here. You're fine here. Kalimutan ko na may laundry pala ako ngayon. Kailangan kong i-check yung blanket or else wala akong blanket ngayong mamayang gabi. Oh my God. Hindi daw siya magdala ng mga pagkain. Iwan ko kung bakit. Ang daming pagkain dito. Sabihin ko sa kanya na dadalhin niya itong burger. At saka sausage. Kasi nagluluto siya the other day. Yung dito sila Lloydie, nagluluto sila ng sausage. Si Tami ng sausage. Kaya, parang nasanay na ako na andito si Tami. Mga ilang buwan din. Ngayon, punta siya doon sa isang bahay para akong baby ko! Why you leaving me? It's been 4 months. 4 months, guys. It's so weird. I don't want my baby to leave. Look at it. I don't want my baby to leave. Don't worry about the bird. They're fine. They're perfectly fine. And then you let me know later or tomorrow I'll give them. Han? Ay, nako. Ang init sa labas. Gusto niyo makita mango? Look, yung mango natin. Tumaas ba siya? Yes. Okay naman yung dahon niya? Yes. Walang mga spot area? Yes. Why you're talking to them? Because you keep giving them food. Look, there's a lot of food on the ground. Tumaas. Nagsidling ako ng pichay dito, guys. Nagsidling tayo. Look, ito, matanda na yan. Kunin ko na yan. At i-harvest ko na to. I'm going to harvest that later. Itong office ni Tami, may bedroom dito. Ang daming nilagay niya. So, kaya, next time, pag okay na talaga lahat, wala ng problema. Pag wala ng problema sa isang bahay, mga ganoon, mga anik-anik nila doon, mga dapat unahin. Next ano namin is yung office niya at saka yung furniture para doon, para dito sa wall na to, and doon sa front door. Yun na talaga yung gusto ko, and then ayusin yung office ni Tami. So hopefully mga before, sana matapos mo talaga kasi gusto ko, I want Tammy's office to be ready for him. He has his own desk. He has his own TV. He has his own space. Right, baby? And he want me to plan it. He doesn't want me to rearrange his office. He wants to do his own, guys. Gusto niya siya. Babayaan natin siya kasi gusto, sa kanya man yun, diba? Well, you need cold bag.
Can't I bring something back?
Do grocery, ha, please. No. I do grocery here.
No, if I bring something back in the freezer.
Tommy, I do grocery here. Tommy, I do grocery here.
I can tell you.
Tommy, I do grocery here.
And that's how they get.
I know you love
I can't tell you no more.
I know you love me.
Yeah. Squishy, a big squishy. I love you, Ann.
I love you too.
You know how to find me.
I will talk to you. I will.
Is your mask in here?
No, it's over there. I wash it.
Sunglasses in here.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, wow.
I love you. You always give me garbage. You know wanna add more? It's in my car.
No.
What is this here? Right here.
It's a house.
Bye.
My nose even?
The kiss you buy too.
Yeah.
Bye.
2 rags.
Bye.
I love you, Ann. Scotch. Sanitizer. Not that I have a need for it, but just in case. To make sure I have it. Some cigarettes in here. They're easy to grab.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Should have filled up my lighter, but I didn't.
Forget it.
I'm sure I got some kind of gas in the house. Oh, no phone. No phone.
You don't have your phone?
Nope. You plug in still.
God, this is what happened to him, guys. He cannot even live without the phone because hindi niya ma-open yung garahe kapag walang cellphone kasi andun connected. Ay, nako. Anyway, guys, so itong vlog na ito is about me and Tommy in the house when he leave. He's leaving me. Ganon. But anyway, I will probably magsikita-kits na lang tayo, guys, sa mga susunod na video.
Thanks, Ann.
Han, look. Han, thumbnail, Han.
Bye, guys. Bye, Ann.
Be careful. Hey, I will talk to you later. Okay? Drive careful, Han. Bye. Hold on, Han. Hold on. Luckily, I tied the tomato. The stick on the ground, and I tied it. That you won't like, because they are so fat. And the leaves is big and fat. If it's so rainy and windy, it will be like, it will like, dead. So I tied it to help them stand. Itong si Habs, binigyan ko silang duha. He always kick out his sister. Kinikik niya sa gilid. Kapag may mga special thing, bilisan niya yung sa kanya, and then kakainin niya yung special na pagkain na binigay ko for Dimples. Hi guys, kain po tayo guys. Nanonood ako ng movie. So kaya dito ako kakain. Look. Nagsaka yung ginawa ko na suka. Ito.
Did he explain how he got back? No. Did he contact you at any
Nag-upload din ako ng video.
No.
Sarap.
What did he tell you about his mission when he returned?
I forgot what's the title of this.
6 months ago, and then he stopped.
Annihilation. Annihilation? What is that? Not inhalation. Annihilation.
I'm done answering questions. It's your turn. Your husband's here. Blackwater National Park reported that a lighthouse was surrounded by something they termed a shimmer. One of the wardens went in to investigate. Never returned. The event was classified. Since then, we were approached by land, by sea, sent in drones, animals, and teams of people. But nothing comes back. Now the boundary is getting bigger, it's expanding. So far, it's feeding into barely populated swamps.
Kain lang sa Mama Roxanne.
We evacuated under the pretext of a chemical spill, but that won't last much longer. In a few months, the area will have grown to where we are. States, and so on. But something has. Yes.
Dinner on the patio. Old friends on a new deck. Fresh food on the grill. And a fresh coat inside and out. We have the tools to help you take on summer and take care of summer projects. From